This video is for the wedding pages, which is on page 55. I already put in my page title, which is the same as all the other pages. And then we already have step 3 done because we have our submenu links already, so that is done. So what we need to do is we need to have a title on the page that says weddings, which I have here. And then what we need to do is we need to put in another content block, which will go ahead and have what's in B. One thing, we also need to do something to enhance the page, such as adding an image or something that relates to weddings. One thing I did, and that's an option, is I changed my page background to a video, and I just searched for weddings and I found this. And that's just an option. It depends if that works with your theme or not. This one here, they have different ones that are appearing. So that's just an option, not something you have to do. You could also just put in an image as well, or you could put in like a video even. You could put one in of like a DJ at a wedding, or just a plain image, something like that is fine for you. So what you'll do is you will put in a paragraph text box, and then just make sure, no matter what like your background is, that you can read what's inside of this text box. So if it's hard for you to read the text in the back because of the background like mine here, what we could do, an option, is I could go ahead and drag this down. Excuse my daughter here. She's very excited. That's just an option for something that you could do that might make it a little bit easier. Another thing you could do as well is put in a different shape behind it. Okay, so I'm going to change plan your gig. Maybe I'll make it bold, and I could even make it a little bit larger if I wanted to, but that's an option here. And we have to go ahead and put in a couple of links. We need event resources here. We need to select this. This needs to be linked to the resources page. So I will do that. And then we also need to link event packages to the events page as well. So, oh my goodness. You know what? I'm not even going to edit it out. You can just hear my child screaming. That's fine. So if I go ahead and preview this, this is what it looks like here. And I'm not like a huge, complete fan of this, but just with it moving. So that may be something for you to do or not. And maybe it is. Just giving you some different options for things of something that may look good. So this is another option too. I just changed my background to black, and then I made my font a way that I like it to look, and added an image here. Now the wedding special celebration, those 4 pages are all going to look and be very, very similar. So what you can do that would save you a lot of time is get your weddings page to look how you want it to look, something that you're happy with to use on your other pages. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste it and then change it to go for the next pages. And I'll show you how to do that in the next video though.